Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Beaumont, Alberta. This beautiful town sits just south of Edmonton and has a rich French-Canadian history. Beaumont began as a small farming community in the late 1800s. The name Beaumont means beautiful hill in French, and it was named for the lovely hill where the town's first church was built. That church, Saint Vital, is still standing today and is one of the oldest buildings in the area. Beaumont grew slowly for many years, with farming and coal mining as the main industries. In recent times, it has become one of the fastest growing communities in Alberta. Even though the town has modern shops, schools, and parks, it still keeps its French roots alive. Many of the street names and community events celebrate its early settlers. Beaumont is also known for its pretty walking trails, friendly neighborhoods, and a wonderful mix of old and new. It's a great place for families and visitors to relax and enjoy the peaceful prairie landscape. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Beaumont, Alberta. Thanks for watching.